A judicial bombshell involving abortion that could have an impact in all 50 states. A Texas federal judge revoking FDA approval of an abortion pill that's been used for more than 20 years. But another federal judge in Washington state then issuing a contradictory ruling, setting up another major battle over a woman's right to choose. Eyewitness News reporter Amy Powell joining us live in studio with more tonight. Amy?
And Michelle, this is causing a lot of concern. The reversal of Roe versus Wade by the Supreme Court was supposed to mean that abortion laws would be left up to individual states. But today, a Texas federal judge issued a ruling that could end access to an abortion pill in all 50 states. It's a ruling that drew immediate outrage from people who support a woman's right to choose. A battle brewing over mifepristone, a pill for medication abortion approved by the FDA more than 20 years ago. But today, a federal judge in Texas issued a preliminary order invalidating that approval.
I think this ruling goes against the facts, the law. It goes against what is good patient care.
The judge, Matthew Kaczmarek, stayed his order for 7 days, giving the government time to file an emergency appeal. Abortion rights activists say if the decision stands, it could impact access to care in all 50 states. Members of Congress voicing outrage.
This is like someone coming out and a judge just coming out and outlining Claritin or aspirin or Plan B because they felt like it.
These anti-choice extremists argued for decades that a woman's right to choose is actually a states' rights issue. But now they are trying to control women's bodies in every corner of this country.
Planned Parenthood in Southern California urging patients seeking abortion care not to change their plans.
Today, medication abortion using mifepristone is still available in California at our health centers.
The Biden administration also promising support. President Biden issuing a statement saying the ruling is another unprecedented step in taking away basic freedoms from women and putting their health at risk.
The president and I are going to stand with the women of America and do everything we can to ensure that women have the ability to make decisions about their health care, their reproductive health care in a manner that is what they need, and they decide that, not their government.
Shortly after the Texas judge issued his decision, a judge in Washington state issued a ruling ordering the FDA to make no changes to the availability of mifepristone. Those conflicting orders mean this case is likely to end up in the Supreme Court.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.